Tamga Imtiaz Military. I, Wing Commander Shafiq Ahmed, Member, Tournament Conduct Committee, welcome you all on the opening ceremony of 38th Chief of the Air Staff Open Golf Championship 2019. On behalf of base authorities, I am highly grateful to the worthy Chief Guest, Air Officer Commanding Southern Air Command, Air Vice Marshal S. N. Rafiq, Sitare Imtiaz Military, and Bhavi Saiba for sparing their precious time and gracing the occasion. Sir, Chief of the Air Staff Open Golf Championship, being the flagship championship of Pakistan Air Force, is one of the biggest national championships. And PA-based Rafiqi has the honor to conduct it for consecutively 6th year. In this sporting event, our members, golfers of various clubs and Pakistan Golf Federation are participating to play the championship as per the selection criteria of Championship Committee. For this 4-day mega event, around 350 renowned golfers from all over Pakistan are participating in different categories like senior professionals, junior professionals, professionals, amateurs, AGC members, veterans, and ladies. Upon conclusion of championship on 17th of February 2019, prizes will be awarded to the winners in all these categories. Ladies and gentlemen, this event shall also highlight Pakistan Air Force endeavor in promoting sports in Pakistan through a very strong public relations, media, and news coverage. This event shall also provide exclusive opportunities for our sponsors and high-level corporate and consumer branding to stand out the clutter. Dignitaries and high-profile individuals from all over Pakistan has been invited to attend this event as well. During the championship, professional golf players shall contend the prize money of 8 million Pakistani rupees. It is pertinent to mention here that as per PGA calendar year, CS Open Golf Championship 2019 is the biggest golf tournament of Pakistan, not only with respect to the prize money, but also with respect to the participations. Besides prize money, 2 cars, each from Toyota Creek Motors and Suzuki Riaz Motors, are made available for exciting hole-in-one opportunity for the players. Last year's reviews indicate that professional golfers found this course challenging due to strong coastal winds and unique landscaping. However, it is at the same time rewarding also. Ladies and gentlemen, Airman Golf Club at PA Base Kurangi Crease is a distinctive addition to the National Social Clubs of offering scenic environment and most scenic views. Comparatively, AGC is a very large setup spreading over 150 acres at secluded urban seashore corner away from the city environment, offering a variety of recreational activities, resort, pleasure picnic environment, and a number of modern sports facilities, all under the name of AGC and RP. This location has the most peaceful scenic spot so close to premier residential area in the city. As part of PA Base Kurangi Creek, AGC and RP is under a disciplined patronage of Air Officer Commanding Southern Air Command, Pakistan Air Force. Spreading over 7,300 yards, it is the longest course in Pakistan. This is also one of the most picturesque because of its undulating fairways and its stunning views of the creek. Lush green fairways and immaculate greens are an instant heartthrob for golfers. The 18 holes along the intracoastal sloping waterway highlight this golf course, combined with open green complexes, lakes and fairways running up to the sand. The course presents a series of stunning challenges to cater for everyone. A lot of efforts are made in fine-tuning of the course to live up to the standards of the golfers, and this could only happen due to untiring commitment of Pakistan Air Force. I hope with such huge participation of players, media and sponsors, Pakistan Air Force would remain steadfast in her commitment for promotion of sports in this country. I wish all golfers a happy golfing in this championship. Now, I would request the worthy base commander, PA Base Kurangi Creek, Air Commodore Raja Vikar, to come over and say a few words, sir. Sir, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Air Vice Marshal S. N. Rafiq, Sitare Imtiaz Military, Begum Sahib.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. As already introduced by Winku and Shafiq, that this is one of the biggest tournament of PGA which Airman Golf Course is conducting. As far as the prize money is concerned and as far as the participation is concerned. So we're really proud. Airways Parangi is really proud to host this tournament for the consecutive 6th year in Pakistan Air Force. And definitely it is not possible because without the untiring efforts of all the personnel of the base and Airman Golf Course who are present over there. And it's really an honor for us to host this tournament for the 6th consecutive year. I would like to thank you, sir, for your kind support and guidance which you have provided us enabling Airways Parangi to conduct this tournament, sir. And inshallah, we are very hopeful that the next 4 days this will be conducted in a very befitting manner, sir, with your kind support and guidance. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank various people who have been working for this tournament, especially the AGC, all the members who have made all this effort, the staff of Airman Golf Course for untiring efforts, headed by Gurpratap Tahir for preparing the golf course, the greens which you will see also. I am thankful to Wing Commander Koka. Sir, thank you very much for sparing your valuable time and traveling all the way from Islamabad, sir, on our invitation. Thank you very much for that, sir. I am thankful to the media personnel who are present over here, the press personnel, and in addition, all the base officers who were directly or indirectly involved in arranging this tournament. And let me tell you, especially I would like to mention about Commander Mohsen, who is the staff operation officers, and Wing Commander Shafiq. Most of you might not be knowing that it takes quite a month to prepare for such an event. Quite a days and nights are spent to organize such an event. So I would like to especially mention about these two personnel, sir. Without wasting much time, sir, now we are going to proceed further with the ceremony, sir, in which we will be proceeding towards T1, sir, and obviously I would request Air Officer Commanding Survey Commander, who is also the patron-in-chief of the Airman Golf Course, to formally inaugurate the tournament. Meanwhile, I would request Begum Sahib, sir, we got a small ceremony for the children over there. आपसे request करूँगा कि आप stand used पर यहाँ पे करवाएं. And before we proceed to T1 for the group photograph, sir, we are going to have a group photo for this opening shot, so we are going to have a group photograph over here. Air Officer Commanders can be requested, sir, for the photograph. Thank you very much.
Ready, please, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. आवाज आ रही थी मुझे, इसलिए उधर वहाँ से भी लोग मारे.
स्टार्ट करें ना यार, सर स्टार्ट सर आप खेलें ना, स्टार्ट करें यार। बॉल दीजिए। सर ऊपर साइड को जाइए, साइड की अपनी नहीं है, कैमरा पे जाइए।
सर एक बार फिर मारेंगे
सर अब तो भाग पड़े हैं सारे, वो देखिए से सामने
वो तो वो वाला बॉल लेके आएंगे ना और मारने की जरूरत है। मेरा ही किट लिया था, दो नाम देने पड़ेंगे आपको। इसके साथ सारे खड़े थे, इसके बाद दो बॉल है, वो दो है ना। किसको दे आपको? दो दूसरी आएगा अभी आप कौन सा बॉल कौन सा आजा बेटा आजा। लड़ाई पे नहीं की। अब ये किसको दे रहे हो? दोनों तू भी किधर आता? दो बॉल थे तो दोनों को करें शाबाश।
मैं आपके कमरे में, आप इधर फिर ले।
आगे
Now I request the Bhavi Seva for group photograph to the participants, please.
मैम ये बच्चे थोड़े से इधर आ जाइए टेबल आ जाइए।